Hi everyone and welcome to my channel. On busy festive days, you have very less time to get ready. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can do your makeup within just 10 minutes. I'm going to have a real timer here. So when you get the cuts in the video, that is only when I'm shooting the transitions. Otherwise, I'm going to complete the makeup within 10 minutes. So let's get started. So for any makeup, your skin needs to be well hydrated. So I'm going to start with the moisturizer first. So I'm going to start with my eye makeup first. I'm just using a dry sponge so that product won't get absorbed a lot. So when you're in a hurry, you want to use products that smudge quickly. So I'm going to use this kohl that smudges really quick. I'm going to apply only in the middle. I'm just going to use my fingers to smudge it so that time is not wasted. Next I'm going to be using this minimalist palette by Profusion Cosmetics. So I'm just going to take this color, this shade here, and smudge it around the kohl. Next I'm going to be taking this shimmery shade and apply it with a flat brush. You can apply it with your fingers. For base, I'm just going to clean the edges before I start my base. Before I start my makeup, I'm going to start with this mist. So for this makeup, I'm going to just use little bit of peach color corrector under my eyes. So that after some time, the under eyes won't look grayish. I'm going to be using a concealer all over my face. I'm going to be using a light shade under my eyes. Little bit on my nose. I'm going to blend it with a dry sponge. You can use a BB cream or CC cream if you want to. I'm using a concealer. While the concealer is wet, I'm going to be applying cream blush. Little bit on my nose. I'm going to set everything with some loose powder. When you are in a hurry, eyebrow pencil will be your best friend to shape your eyebrows. I'm just going to use this eyebrow pencil. To finish my eye makeup, I'm going to tightline my eyes. Also apply the kohl on my waterline. I'm going to curl my lashes.
Apply some mascara.
If you don't like your mascara on your lower lash line, you can skip it and save some more time. I'm going to directly apply my lipstick. Now 10 minutes are done. So you can see how in 10 minutes I have achieved this makeup. I'm going to add some highlighter. I'm going to add highlighter only on my nose so that there is some shine on the face. So this is the final look. I hope you enjoyed this video as much as I did. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching.